what if I told you the AI revolution has already slipped beyond our control? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The pace of change isn't just fast, it's exponential. In just the past year, we've gone from AI writing poems and essays to systems that can generate entire movies, build apps from a single sentence, simulate human voices, and even control robotic bodies in the real world. From generative models that design products to autonomous agents that make decisions on their own, AI is no longer a tool we fully command. It's becoming a force that adapts, learns, and sometimes surprises even its own creators. Entire industries are shifting. Artists, coders, doctors, marketers, no field is untouched. Some experts say we're in the middle of the biggest transformation since the internet. Others warn we may already be losing grip on where it's all heading. So the real question is no longer, is AI the future? It's, are we ready for the world it's creating? One of the most exciting examples is Google's new project, Nanobanana. This cutting-edge AI tool isn't just another app, it's designed to help people work smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. By combining advanced machine learning with intuitive design, it's a glimpse into a future where AI is not just an assistant, but an innovation partner. If you find this as fascinating as I do, hit like, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on the AI revolution as it unfolds. However, what truly sets Nanobanana apart is its ability to understand complex tasks and simplify them, especially in creative fields such as design, photography, and digital art. Unlike traditional tools that require manual input and time-consuming adjustments, Nanobanana uses advanced machine learning to predict what you want to achieve. It works behind the scenes to automate tedious processes, freeing you up to focus on your ideas instead of the technical details. Let's take a real example. Imagine you're editing photos or designing graphics in Photoshop. One of the toughest parts is selecting objects with precision, especially when they have intricate edges like hair, fur, or leaves. Normally, this could take you several minutes or even hours to get right. With Google Nanobanana, this process becomes almost effortless. The AI analyzes your image, detects the subject you want to isolate, and creates a highly accurate selection instantly. You don't have to spend ages tweaking every pixel. It's like having an expert assistant who works at lightning speed, saving you tons of time and frustration. Beyond selection, Nanobanana also helps with other tasks. For example, if you want to replace a background, enhance colors, or apply consistent filters, the tool can suggest the best options or automate the process completely. This means you can try out creative ideas much faster and produce professional quality results with ease. In the fast-paced world of digital creation, speed and accuracy are everything. Google Nanobanana isn't just about saving time, it's about transforming how we work. It lowers the barrier to entry, allowing beginners to achieve results that previously required years of experience. At the same time, professionals benefit from a massive boost in efficiency. What's even more impressive is how the AI learns from you. The more you use it, the better it understands your preferences and style. Here's something to grab your attention. Since its release, professional designers and beta testers have reported cutting their editing time by up to 70%. This reduction in time is a huge deal when deadlines are tight and creativity can't wait. Additionally, Nanobanana's ability to instantly generate smart suggestions means you can experiment more, pushing your creativity to new limits without fear of making costly mistakes. Google is constantly improving Nanobanana, integrating it deeper into popular creative software and expanding its capabilities. The goal is clear: to make AI an indispensable partner for artists, designers, and creators worldwide. Google Nanobanana is not just another AI tool, it is a creative revolution. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the perfect time. The future of creative work is here, and it's powered by a smart artificial intelligence tool like Google Nanobanana. But artificial intelligence isn't just transforming digital work, it's also making huge strides in the physical world. Imagine a robot that never needs a human to recharge its battery. One that quietly walks over, takes out its spent battery, slides in a fresh one, and keeps working. That future just arrived. Meet Walker S2, the humanoid from UB Tech that can autonomously change its own battery. A breakthrough that hints at a new era of truly uninterrupted robotic labor. Let's break down the highlights, because this robot is far more than a fancy toy. Walker S2 uses a dual battery system, two 48-volt lithium packs. When one battery runs low, the robot senses it, walks to a swap station, and with precision, using its own arms, removes the depleted battery and installs a fully charged one, all in less than 3 minutes. Because one battery can be swapped while the other operates, you get near continuous function. This is a foundational step toward 24/7 robotic operation. Walker S2 is about 162 centimeters tall and weighs roughly 43 kilograms, or about 95 pounds. Its design supports a payload of up to 15 kilograms, and it features a waist servo that allows plus or minus 162 degrees rotation, so it can twist, bend, and reach. It can squat, lift overhead, and handle dynamic tasks in a workspace from ground to about 1.8 meters. Vision is handled by a binocular stereo vision system, RGB, with depth estimation powered by neural networks. In fact, UB Tech pairs this with real-time battery monitoring so Walker S2 can decide, should it swap now or delay if its tasks demand it? Walking performance is strong too. Reported top speed is up to 2 meters per second in some sources. Robots that needed to stop and recharge have always had a built-in bottleneck. With Walker S2, downtime is minimized. The robot becomes a 24/7 worker so long as charged battery packs are available nearby. For industries, logistics, electronics, manufacturing, the benefit is clear. Fewer interruptions, less human oversight, greater throughput. UB Tech also envisions many Walker S2 robots working together, coordinated by its BrainNet system and co-agent infrastructure for swarm intelligence. But even today, Walker S2 forces us to rethink what robot labor means, and whether we're ready for machines that don't rest. If this glimpse of cutting-edge technology excites you, don't just watch. Be part of it. Hit like, share with someone curious, and subscribe to stay updated as the future unfolds. But while machines like Walker S2 are transforming how work gets done, artificial intelligence isn't just changing labor, it's reinventing how we live, see, and share the world around us. The future isn't only about smarter machines, it's also about smarter humans, augmented by the tools we wear, speak to, and rely on every day. Imagine walking down the street, and everything you see is being recorded, hands-free in real time and instantly shareable. Welcome to the future, or better yet, welcome to Meta's new smart glasses. These aren't your regular shades, and these are AI-powered, voice-activated memory-making machines strapped right to your face. Meta has teamed up with Ray-Ban to create glasses that look stylish but come packed with seriously futuristic tech. We're talking HD video recording, up to 60 seconds with just a voice command. It captures exactly what you're seeing from your perspective. But it gets crazier. These glasses come with 5 microphone arrays. That means you're recording 3D spatial audio, almost like the viewer is inside your head. Imagine rewatching your road trip, concert, or your kid's first steps. Not from your phone, but through your own eyes. Whether you're a creator, a tech nerd, or just someone who wants to live and relive the moment, Meta's smart glasses are more than just a gadget. They're a glimpse into what's next. You've just seen how artificial intelligence is reshaping everything, from creative tools and tireless robots to smart glasses that capture the world around you. If this got your attention, hit like, share it with someone who loves tech, and subscribe for more. The future isn't coming. It's already here.